Most digital creators spend hours building great products, but only minutes writing the words that are supposed to sell them. And that's where the biggest opportunity is often lost. The average visitor spends less than 15 seconds deciding whether to stay on your product page. And in most cases, your product description is the only thing doing the talking. If it's vague, flat, or confusing, they leave. No sale. No second chance. And let's be honest, writing product descriptions is frustrating. You know your product is good, but putting it into words, that's the hard part. It takes too much time. And even when you finally hit publish, you're still not sure if it sounds right or actually helps your product sell. It's stressful, and it keeps you stuck at your desk, rewriting the same sentence for the 10th time, instead of creating more products or growing your business. Here's a smarter way to think about it. The best product descriptions don't just describe, they translate. They take your features and turn them into benefits your customer actually cares about. They're clear, they're focused, and most importantly, they're written with the reader in mind. Great copywriting is not about sounding clever, it's about helping your buyer say, yes, this is for me, and you don't have to figure that out on your own. That's where AI Creator Max can help. Inside the platform, there's a tool called Product Descriptions, and it's built for digital creators just like you. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, Gumroad, or offer Notion templates, this tool gives you a fast, reliable way to write sales-focused copy that actually connects with your audience. Let me walk you through a real example. Say you're selling a Notion template for freelancers. It includes a client tracker, an invoice generator, and a project dashboard. It's fully customizable and designed to be beginner-friendly. You want to highlight keywords like freelance tools, Notion dashboard, and productivity. You want the tone to sound professional. And of course, you want it written in English. Inside AI Creator Max, just search for product descriptions. You'll see a form where you can enter all these details: product name, features, keywords, tone, and language. Then you click generate, and just like that, you get a clean, high-converting description ready to use. No guesswork. No wasted hours. It's fast, helpful, and built to save you time. Once the description is generated, you can copy it with one click, send it to your email, or edit it right inside the tool. You can even rate it, save it to your favorites, or find it later in the History tab on the sidebar. Everything is designed to make your process easier and help you focus on what matters most: growing your sales. If you're serious about selling more digital products and making your listings stand out, AI Creator Max is your shortcut. It's completely free to get started, and the link is in the description. Take a few minutes to try it, and you'll see just how much time and stress it saves you. And here's a bonus tip before you go. Once you generate a great product description, don't just stop there. Repurpose it. Use it as the caption for your Instagram post. Pull out a line and turn it into an email subject. Add the bullet points to your Pinterest graphic. One great piece of copy can power your entire content funnel. That's how smart creators build momentum, with consistency, not complexity. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with any creator who's still stuck writing product descriptions from scratch. You just gave them a shortcut they'll thank you for, and a tool that might change how they work forever.